How to make an offer on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make an offer on Mercari. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Mercari account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you would see a number of listings. Alright, and so to make an offer, there are two ways. Oftentimes, some sellers allows you to make an offer directly on a product by making it available on the product listing page. While on other times, you would have to reach out to the seller yourself in order to make an offer. But before you do that, you can start by exploring the items available on Mercari. And then let's say you want to get this pair of shoes. And so, after clicking on the products, you'll be taken to the products page where you see details about the products, the way it looks like, and all of that. And then, if it's satisfactory, just scroll down on the product details page until you can see the option "Make an offer." Like I said, not all sellers allows this, but for you can just try to check out the products page to see if it's there. But then, if you cannot find and the option make an offer, the next thing for you to do is to send a message directly to the seller. And how do you do that? Just click on the option message on the seller's name, and then once you do that, you'll be taken to the seller's personal contact page, and then you can now go ahead and make your offer. Tell the seller the amounts you can afford for the product, and then you can come to an agreeable point and you'll be able to get your product easily. So this is how it works, okay? This is how you can make an offer on Mercari. Like I said, you can also try your best, type your best offer, enter a specific dollar amount that you are willing to pay. And so sometimes Mercari offers provides options like 10% off, 50% off, or 20% off the listed price. So after entering your offer and all of that, send it to the seller, and then once the seller reviews the offer, he or she would give you a feedback. But if the option make an offer is available for the particular product, you would be able to enter in your offer, and then once you enter in your offer, tap review offer and confirm the payment method you want to use, and then finally click send offer. And then you'd wait for the seller to check it out to accept, counter, or reject your offer, and then you are good to go. Ensure that when you are negotiating, you are respectful and you are also considerate. So have a happy time shopping on Mercari. Thanks for watching and have a good day.